Adiana. Welcome to our basic English grammar series. This is video 1 and by the end of this course, you will feel more confident writing, speaking and listening in English. Today, I just want you to introduce the concept of grammar. Do you get nervous when people say grammar? Don't worry, in this video, I will show what grammar really is and why it is easier than you think. So, what is grammar? Grammar is simply how we organize words to make clear and correct sentences. Imagine grammar as the rules of a game. When you know the rules, you can play or speak with confidence. I'd like to give you 3 simple reasons why grammar matters. Number 1, it helps people understand you clearly. If your sentence is confusing, people may not get your message. Number 2, it makes your English sound natural and professional. In school, work, or daily life, good grammar shows confidence. Number 3, it helps you grow in speaking, writing, and reading. Grammar is your foundation for learning more. You will see 2 sentences on the screen. You have to find the mistakes and I'll give you 3 seconds. If you need more time, you can pause the video. Okay, now let's check the answers together. The first sentence is, she go to work every day. Why is it incorrect? The verb go is wrong in the sentence, and we need to change the verb into singular form because of the subject she. She is only one person and it is singular. So the correct answer is, she goes to work every day. G-O-E-S, goes. Now please take a look at the second sentence. There are 3 apples in the box. Here, we need to change the noun apple into plural. There are more than one. That's why the sentence must be, there are 3 apples in the box. A-P-P-L-E-S, apples. Alright, now you know grammar is not scary, it is your English superpower. In the next video, we'll talk about 8 parts of speech. Nouns, verbs, adjectives, and more. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Why do you want to improve your grammar? See you in the next video. Bye!